안녕하세요. Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, 진아. Today's expression is 눈에 익다. Can you repeat it? 눈에 익다. So, 익다 means to ripe, to be mature. But 눈에 익다. 눈에 익다? You cannot come up with meaning easily, right? Let's say, here look at the picture. He is strolling with his dog and he is thinking of the past or the ex-girlfriend or girlfriend. We don't know. And he is looking at something and reminds of his girlfriend. So maybe he thinks, oh, I think this is what I saw before. This is very familiar. Yes, 눈에 익다 means to be familiar with. So 익다 actually means 익숙하다, 익숙하다, which means to be familiar with, to be used to it. So it is used when a person feels familiar with something or someone as seeing repeatedly. So when you repeatedly see something, looking at something, and then you know what is it, then, oh, now I feel familiar with it. 눈에 익어요. 눈에 익어요. So maybe think about when you first learn Hangul. At first, for the first time you meet the Hangul and it's whole alien letters, alphabet. You've never learned or seen before. So first, I don't know, 그, 느 seems so similar. But later, when you repeatedly learn and study, review, then you know, oh, 눈에 익어요. Now it's so familiar with it. 이렇게 말해요. We have similar expressions, 손에 익다 and 귀에 익다. So when you say 익다, that already means you are familiar with something and repeatedly. You repeated something and then you're familiar with it. So 손에 익다. 손에 익어요. When you do something repeatedly and you know how to do it without focusing on, without noticing. So like if you cook every time, like cook pasta every day, and now you know what to do, everything. 손에 익어요. Or you work something and you keep working on the same thing and now you are really familiar with it, then you can say 손에 익어요. Also, 귀에 익다. 귀, what does ear do? Yes, listen. So when you listen to something repeatedly and then you know what the sound is, then you can say 귀에 익어요. So when your favorite singer release a new song and you firstly listen to the song and then I'm getting the melody and then more and more after listening more and more and then you can say oh 귀에 익어요. I'm really familiar with it. Okay, look at the examples here. A. 저희 we 어디서 만난 적 있나요? Have we met before? 눈에 익은데요. I feel familiar with you. 혹시 Korean Sam 대학교 다니셨어요? Oh, did you go to Korean Sam University? 네. 같은 학교를 다녀서 since we went to the same school, 익숙했나 봐요. That's why I felt familiar. 그러게요. 반가워요. Nice to meet you. 이렇게 말해요. Here, let's see the examples. Number 1. Choose the sentence which incorrectly uses 눈에 익다. What is wrong? Number 1. 그 사람은 매일 보는 사람이라 눈에 익어요. 매일 보는 사람이에요. I see him, her every day. So I'm familiar with him, her. 맞아요? 맞아요. 매일 봐요. Repeatedly. 맞아요. Number 2. 그 사람과 자주 봤더니 눈에 익어요. 자주. 뭐예요? Often. 자주 봐요. 맞아요. Repeatedly. 3번. 그 사람은 처음 보는 사람이라 눈에 익어요. 처음. For the first time. 눈에 익어요? At this first time? 아니요. 아니죠. So this is the answer. Number 4. 그 사람은 내 친구와 친한 사람이라 눈에 익어요. 내 친구와 친해요. He is my friend. He's my friend's friend. So I've met her, not in person, but I've seen him in the picture or on Instagram, Facebook. So I'm quite familiar with him. 맞아요. Okay. Number 2. 오랜만에 고향에 가니 풍경이 보이네요. 풍경 is landscape. 오랜만에 고향에 가니 고향 is my hometown. hometown 갔어요. It's been a while to go to my hometown. And then what I see? 눈에 익은 풍경. I can see all the familiar landscapes, the trees, the park, and the town neighbors. You can say it like this. Okay, this is all for today, and I hope you all get it. Okay, 다음 시간에 만나요.